चमन में सुबह ये कहती थी होकर चश्मतर शबनम। चमन में सुबह ये कहती थी होकर चश्मतर शबनम, बहार बाग गो यूं ही रही लेकिन किधर शबनम। As the dawn broke, the teary-eyed dewdrop spoke about his life. Spring will bloom in the garden, but the dewdrop, it will not survive. This is a she'r from a ghazal by Khwaja Mir Dard, an 18th century poet and one of the three pillars of Urdu poetry, the other two being Mir Taqi Mir and Mirza Rafi Sauda. One of the most striking qualities of Khwaja Mir Dard's poetry is the versification in his poetry. His qafiyas, behr and the alfaz he chooses, they all lend to an amazing musicality that is found in all his ghazals. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from a world of Urdu poetry. Khuda Hafiz.